I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can get the 90 days Shopify free trial. Now, first off, you just have to go to this shopify.com website. It's slash free trial offer. And you can see you'll get a $1 per month and you can enjoy this trial for $3 per month of Shopify for $1 per month on any selected plans. So 3 months means 90 days, right? So the way we can do is that we can click on start free trial here on the button up here. And first off, you'll get 3 days completely free. You won't need to pay anything at all. But after that, you can get up to 3 months free or 3 months for $1, which is very, very cheap. And you can get that kind of offer for 3 months. And after that, you can continue using Shopify with the normal price. You can see you can get 3 days free and then 3 months or 90 days for $1 per month. You can click on sign up with email. I'm going to show you real quick how to do this. I'm just going to use a disposable email for demonstration purposes here. I'm going to put in my password as well. Now let's just create Shopify account like that. Again, I'm going to re-enter my password here to log in. I'm going to click on log in. Now, after this, it'll sign us up with the free trial offer activated as well. Now, I'm just going to click on an online store. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to already selling. Small, click on next. Again, I'm not using any platform. I'm going to do something like this. I'm just going to skip through this to show you that the free trial offer here. And there you go. You can see we can pick any one of these for only $1 and we can get this offer for 3 months or 90 days. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.